Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. And our email ID is sourceclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then our team can arrange a doubt clearing session for you. After that, you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations. Okay, like ISI, CMI, TIFR, NVHM entrance exams and your semester exams also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. So now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics question paper, and the question is telling us that let x1, x2 xn be IID normal distribution of 0, 1 random variables where our n is greater than 3. If our x bar is equals to 1 by n, that means the mean of the nth variables, okay, and our a square is equals to 1 by n minus 1, the summation I equals to 1 up to n xi minus x bar whole square. Then we have to find the variance of x bar by s is equals to what? So there are four options here, which are n minus 1 upon n into n minus 2. Option B is telling us that n minus 3 by n into n minus 1. Option C is telling us that n minus 1 by n into n minus 3. And option D is telling us that n minus 2 by n into n minus 1. So let's see what can be done with this. So we are given this independent x1, x2, xn as independent and identical distributed random variables following n01. So define our x bar is equals to this and our a square is equals to 1 by n minus 1 into I into summation of where our I is running from 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square. So we need to compute the variance of x bar by s. So the distribution of x bar and s square. So the x bar is the sample mean. We know that. And since our xi is this, can be approximated by the normal distribution of 0, 1. So thus we can write our x bar b can be approximated by this, and our a square is the sample variance and it is follows a scaled chi-square distribution. So we got n minus 1 into a square, that can be approximated by the chi-square n minus 1. So now we have to find the distribution of x bar by s. So the quantity x bar by s follows a t distribution with n minus 1 degrees of freedom. So for a t distribution with new degrees of freedom, so the variance will be what now? So the variance will be nu by nu minus 2 for nu greater than 2. So here my degrees of freedom is n minus 1. So we can write that the nu will be n minus 1 now. So as our nu is equals to n minus 1, so how can we use that? So our variance of x bar by s will be n minus 1 by what was I okay. So I have written that is equals to minus 3, that will be for n greater than 3. So now we are going to adjust for our x bar. So as the variance of x bar is 1 by n, so the variance of s is derived from the chi-square distribution. However, the t distribution already accounts for the scaling. So the final variance will be our, that means the final variance will be n minus 1 by n into n minus 3. So the value of the variance will be this. Okay. So the correct answer of this, so the correct answer of this question will be our option C. So again, I am telling that if you have any other doubts or queries or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then our team can arrange a doubt clearing session for you. After that, you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations. Okay. Hope you understood, guys. Thank you.